everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Worsley Road to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property which is coming to the market chain free. So as you can see from the front of the property, we have a large driveway leading up to this fantastic house. We've got a porch leading through to our very generous entrance hallway. To the right we have our downstairs toilet, which is a good size and modern as well. Leading through to the rear of the property, we've got a fantastic and large modern kitchen, diner. As you can see, you've got lots of worktop space, units as well. Then leading through to the garden, we've got a nice low maintenance garden here. So we've got paving and later lawn grass, which goes right to the end of the property. Also does benefit from having a garage as well to the rear with access around the side. So that could be used for parking or for further storage, as we do have a large driveway to the front. So we've got lots of space for parking. So this property is situated over 3 fantastic floors, all nice and modern throughout, and has been recently renovated over the previous years. So onto our first floor, at the rear of the property, we've got this very large living space. So all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. All of the rooms as well are flooded with natural light and are all very generously sized. So that's our lounge, and then opposite here we have one of our bedrooms, which is overlooking the front of the property. So the property is coming to the market chain free, has 3 double bedrooms, a modern fitted kitchen and bathroom, a driveway and a garage, and has fantastic transport links. Is within walking distance to Winton Park. We've got lots of things nearby, including the Trafford Centre, Monton, and other fantastic amenities and schools. So we've just seen our bedroom, which is at the front of the property. And now this is our fantastic 4-piece bathroom suite. All nice and modern, been fitted in the last few years. And completing the property is our 3rd bedroom overlooking the rear of the property. As you can see, they're all very generous double bedrooms. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this fantastic property, please give our office a call.